Hi, I'm Helen and I run the Instagram account Hatfield House. I live here with my husband and 5 children. This is our 3rd self-build and we took a lot of inspiration from American style homes, going for neutral, modern and sometimes moody tones in some of the rooms. We've taken a lot of inspiration from Instagram and Pinterest. We like to research with every new room that we start. I first heard about Material World from their advertising on Instagram. A lot of the people that I follow seem very happy with their blinds and their curtains. I decided to go with Material World because the quality of the samples was excellent, the thickness of the material, and they had the exact texture and tone that we were looking for. I found working with Material World very easy. From choosing the material and ordering the Roma blinds and providing the measurements, the girls were great, very helpful. Communication was great, delivery was very fast, and we were delighted with the end product when it arrived. It was just such good quality. My advice for people when dressing windows would be to keep it simple, neutral, and just go for quality. I would definitely recommend Material World. The customer service was fantastic, they were very helpful. The website's very easy to use and the quality of the product that arrived was just fantastic. I'm delighted with them.